If you want to quickly see who can access your Google Drive files, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple way. Whether you're checking a private document, a shared folder, or a file you're not sure was sent to the right people, this method helps you review permissions in just a few clicks. It's a useful skill for staying organized and protecting your files, especially if you share a lot of documents with coworkers, clients, or friends. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tips and tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. This takes you straight into Google Drive, where all of your stored files and folders are managed. Once you're inside, click on My Drive. This is where your personal files are usually located, and it makes it easier to find the specific file you want to check. Next, click on the file you want to inspect. You can choose a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or any other file stored in Drive. After selecting the file, look at the top menu and click Share. This opens the sharing settings for that file. Here, you'll be able to see exactly who has access. Under People with Access, review the list carefully. This section shows the specific users who can open the file, and it also tells you their roles, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. That's important because each role gives different levels of control. A viewer can only look at the file, a commenter can leave feedback, and an editor can make changes to the content. After checking individual access, look at the General Access section as well. This tells you whether the file is restricted, shared with anyone in your organization, or available to anyone with the link. If it says anyone with the link, that means anyone who gets that link may be able to view or interact with the file depending on the permission level. If you want tighter privacy, this is the setting you should pay close attention to. You can use this screen to decide whether you need to remove people, change roles, or restrict access to keep your file secure. Once you understand who can see the file, you'll have much better control over your Google Drive sharing settings. And that's it. Now you know how to see who can access your files on Google Drive in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful Google Drive tutorial.